Hi guys, hello, hi, how are you guys? So I am back again. You know, I'm always present. So today is another skincare haul. Just subscribe to my channel. This one is a bigger skincare haul. I'm trying to take time to take care of my skin so I can be glowing and all of that. And YesStyle sent me another package. Here you go. Not long ago, I got a package from them to celebrate Skincare Week. YesStyle is a Korean platform. It's like an online store, just like your Amazon, where you can order everything Korean, like Korean skincare brands, Korean snacks, Korean clothes, Korean food, everything Korean. I think even Japanese products. So that's basically what their brand is all about. Korean everything. So YesStyle is an online Korean store, and today we're going to be unboxing new sets of products again. So let's get into this video. These are the products. Aren't y'all excited? So this video is sponsored by YesStyle again. You guys, I'm becoming sponsored. I don't know what you're waiting for. Send me your products so I can review too. Sponsor me, you know. I'm going to be starting with the sponsored product. I'm going to be popping. This is the sponsored product. Here is the product. It comes in this. Wow, this is a nice packaging. Open it, and this is what they look like. Each one of them looks like there are 50 in it. Thank you so much, YesStyle. I really appreciate. Thank you for being the first brand to sponsor my video. Everything about all these products will be in my description box below, and I'm going to be leaving my rewards code, which is ASHACOCO25, for you to get some off your order. Oh my god, something spilled. It has finished. It is a free gift. So the first product is this truecica mineral calming sun cream. This is the sunscreen. So this is the truecica mineral 100 calming sunscreen. Everything is in Hangul, so if you can't read Hangul, and this is also a free product. I don't even know, because I don't even know which one is free. They know how to give a lot of gifts. So this is a free product. I think I got these ones. I don't know if they're free. Then this thing serum spilled, and I have to search for how to get the new one, because I ordered the mini so I can try it first. I've never ever used it before, so I just wanted to try something different. But now they didn't seal it well, which is why it spilled. I thank God it didn't pour everywhere. Next product is this, but this is the ultimate moisturizing honey overnight mask. This is an overnight mask. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So these products are for sensitive and acne prone skin and oily skin, just like what I have. So I'm going to leave every single product in the description box, and you can also order yours from them. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the after effects of all these products on my face, because baby, you ain't here and I. But here to tell you guys the truth and nothing but the truth. Next product is this moisturizer calming gel cream. Next is this BHA power liquid. And this one is mostly for blackhead, because I have a lot of blackheads, and this is like an exfoliator. And I did research and I found out that BHA is mostly good for acne prone skin, not AHA. And the last product is this Cosrx low pH good morning gel cleanser. I've seen so many reviews about this product, and honestly I've tried it before. I used my sister's own because she has one. It doesn't like strip your skin when you use like some cleansers, and it'll be so dry after. This doesn't do that actually. Like it's like it retains the moisture in your face. That's something you really want for like oily skin. You don't want to over dry your skin, so this is a good product I recommend. So all these products are going to be in the description box below. I think I have touched all of them. They gave me 3 free gifts, which are the eye cream, the mask, and the random small sachet. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for staying, and see you in my next videos.